Hey everyone. You've no doubt been following the heartbreaking news coming out of Afghanistan and seeing all the people's lives that are just being turned upside down right now. What you may not have known is that many of those families are being relocated right here to the Seattle-Tacoma area. And World Relief is providing each of them with welcome kits when they arrive. Well, already several New Day families have been looking at how they might team up and pool their resources together to prepare some of these kits that include kitchen kits and bedding kits and back to school kits. And if you'd like to be a part of an effort like that, you can go to our website, newdaynw.com, and there's a button right on the homepage that says Refugee Welcome Kits. You can just click on that and it'll take you to World Relief's site and tell you more information. But I would encourage you to be thinking about what families you might team up with, or maybe it's your DNA group or small group, or just your own family. But this is just a really practical way that we can show these people in crisis the love of Christ. So thanks so much for considering it. It could really make a big difference in somebody's life.